I'm gonna teach you how to make the most delicious dish using just sausages, okay guys? So let's go. Let's grate these sausages, okay? And then we are going to reserve it in a pot, all right? Or even inside of the fridge. Now in a bowl, let's use 4 eggs, 3 tablespoons of milk, a good pinch of salt, a good pinch of black pepper, green onion or parsley to taste, enjoy this moment and tell us what city you're watching this recipe from. After mixing everything very well, let's add all the sausage we have just grated. This recipe is very delicious, guys. You know that recipe that you take everything that is in the fridge and make a sensational dish? This is the kind of dish. After mixing everything very well, let's put it in a frying pan with a lot of oil. You can replace the oil by butter, by coconut oil if you prefer, okay? Let's put all of this mixture inside of the frying pan. Let's spread it for all over the corners, this way as you can see on the video. Let's cover it in low heat and wait to cook all the bottom part. When you see that it's already cooked and fried, you just have to turn it around. I used a plate to help me, okay? I also added a lot of mozzarella on top of it. I love cheese, so it has to have a good pinch of oregano. And let's cover it again. And until the bottom part is cooked, the cheese will be melted. And here we have a very yummy scrambled eggs using just a few ingredients. Those ingredients that are always at the bottom of the fridge, you just have to put them all together and make these amazing scrambled eggs. If you don't have sausage, you can replace it by chicken or pepperoni sausage. This recipe is super changeable. You can change it for anything. Make it at your house and come and tell me what you thought about it. And this was today's dish, guys. I'm gonna leave you guys with this amazing image because it's really perfect. Kisses, see you on the next video. And if you liked this recipe, don't forget to rate us down here from 0 to 10. Your opinion is always very important for us and it helps us to bring more recipes like this one. Kisses and see you guys around.